For many industrial solutions, it's highly important that pumps are as compact as possible in order to fit into the tightest of spaces, but at the same time, not compromising the high efficiency. Grundfos's range of Centrifugal Modular CM pumps live up to these requirements, making it one of the most compact ranges of pumps on the market. However, there is more to the design than just compactness. In this task, we'll dive deeper into the CM pump range and explore the many benefits that come with them. First of all, let's just briefly introduce the CM range. CM pumps come in flow sizes ranging from 1 cubic meter per hour to approximately 30 cubic meters per hour, which, depending on your application, can give up to 13 bars of pressure. In addition to the regular CM pumps, an E-solution, CME, with a built-in frequency converter is also available. Based on feedback from sensors in the system, the pump modifies the output to the necessary demand, thereby reducing power consumption and ensuring a smoother operation. CM pumps can be used in a variety of applications. One of these is temperature control units, which we will use as our approach throughout this task. But for now, let's turn our focus back to the benefits of CM pumps. The CM range offers 4 main benefits: reliability, global usage, compactness, and customization. For the remainder of this task, we will look into each of these 4 elements. Let's start by looking at the reliability in the CM range. Reliability is of the utmost importance because if the pump breaks, it reflects badly on you as a manufacturer. Most faults in centrifugal pumps are caused by leakages from the shaft seal. In a temperature control unit, such leakages can be crucial if the liquid splashes onto other components, which in many cases could happen, since CM pumps are often placed near electronic components in compact units. However, it's also important that the pump components in such a unit can handle sudden temperature changes, otherwise they'll simply break. So how does the Grundfos CM tackle potential faults like this? Well, since the shaft seal is often the weakest link, the CM shaft seal incorporates several smart features. Firstly, a stationary seal ring fixture has been added to prevent sticking. Sticking can at worst damage the seal rings and cause increased leakages. The seal ring has also improved dry running properties, again reducing the risk of failures that can lead to leakages. And secondly, the shaft seal in Grundfos's CM pump is designed in such a way that it transfers heat from the shaft seal through the flanges, rather than through the rubber O-rings. This greatly reduces the risk of damaging the O-rings, which is crucial, as damaged O-rings would lead to leakages. These are just some of the smart features that improve the reliability of the CM pump, and there are even more features that contribute to the pump's overall efficiency. One of these features is the indication of rotation, which has been added to the 3-phase motors on the CM. Even though the CM can rotate both ways, there is in fact a right way and a wrong way. Operating the wrong way delivers lower pressure than operating the right way. Fortunately, the CM design includes an installation indicator on 3-phase motors to help detect incorrect installation. These indicators signal if the pump is rotating the wrong way. Now, let's turn our attention to the global applicability of a CM pump. Imagine a CM built into a temperature control unit. Ideally, these units should be applicable all over the world. To be able to use one pump globally, it must not only be possible in terms of its features, but also be legal according to mandatory demands. Fortunately, the CM fulfills both these requirements. It's available with several voltages, meaning that it can be used anywhere in the world, regardless of whether it's operating at 50 Hz or 60 Hz. In terms of legal usage, there are several energy efficiency and safety requirements that need to be obeyed, including the CUR-US and CC approval in the US, the CCC certification in China, and many more. The CM range complies with all these requirements. As we briefly touched upon in the beginning, compactness is vital. Even in the early stages of the design process, the pump was built with compactness in mind, something which is demonstrated by the fact that the motor shaft also serves as a pump shaft, saving the need for a traditional coupling. Additionally, using compact pumps in units and cabinets, such as for instance a temperature control unit, means that the unit itself is more compact, which means that it can be built at a lower cost. Finally, the Grundfos CM can be fully customized to specific needs. In temperature control units, different fluids can be used. Glycol and water are often used in temperature control units, and for these fluids, we usually recommend the AQQE seal. However, several other shaft seals and types of rubber are available. To be able to handle different temperatures, pressures and fluids, the CM pumps are available in cast iron and stainless steel 1.4301 or 1.4401 depending on your needs. In terms of the liquid, the CM can be easily modified to apply a bigger motor if you're pumping a liquid heavier than water, such as cold glycol. And if you're pumping a liquid lighter than water, it can be modified to use a smaller motor. In terms of customization, however, the CM truly stands out in its self-priming variant, which has the ability to create a suction lift of up to 8 meters below the pump in less than 5 minutes. This makes the self-primer an ideal solution for water treatment, domestic pressure boosting, rainwater applications, and many more. The CM self-primer must be filled with liquid before first use. This fluid is then used to evacuate the air and ensure vacuum is built up. Unlike non-priming pumps, the CM self-primer will always have a water reservoir from the first priming, making it better at handling air and reducing problems related to air in the system and dry running. So that pretty much covers the key benefits of Grundfos CM. But let's just quickly go through them one more time for good measure. State-of-the-art shaft seal design ensures a much more reliable design, which is less sensitive to impurities. Different voltage and frequency combinations, as well as all necessary approvals for global usage, ensure that the CM range can be used worldwide. The motor and pump flange have been integrated into one, ensuring a much more compact design, meaning that units can be manufactured at a cheaper cost. And finally, it can be fully customized according to demands and needs.